it's not funny. I have hiccups. I don't know if that's you when you have hiccups.